our channel. It's Kristen
and Kayla, and we're back with another Teach Me Tuesday.
Today, we're going to teach you how to lace your shoe and tie your shoe.
But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because next week we're going to show you some cool lace-up designs for your shoes.
Let's go. The first step, you're going to put the shoelace in both the first holes. Then you're going to take this shoelace and put it into the second one, under it. And you're going to do that for the same side. Like this. Then the lace that you still have in your hand, you're going to put it on the other side like this. And you're going to do the same with the other shoelace. So it should look like this, like a crisscross. And you're going to just keep doing it until you are all done lacing your shoe. At the end, it should look like this.
Once you have laced them, now it is time to tie them. You will take both your strings and crisscross them, making an X. Then you will take one string, put it underneath, pull to tighten. Once you have tightened, you will take one string and make a little loop. Then your other string and wrap it around the loop. Once you have it wrapped around, you will have a little hole that you will push the other string through, pull, and tighten. And there you go. Your shoes are tied. If this video helped you guys, go ahead and comment helpful down below.
Thanks for watching. Aloha!
And adios, Kristen and Kayla.